guys, welcome to Estella Travels. Today we are headed to Clinton Lake Beach. It is a more, central Illinois beach, and it's our first time there, and so we're going to take you along and give you all the reviews and thoughts and tips and tricks that we find out along the way. We did pack some little snacks. My niece did run in the gas station. But yeah, we're going to head there. It's about a 45-minute drive. And so, yeah, let's see what we can get into. Let's do this. So there is a $2 entry fee for this beach. So the first tip I have for you for a really good beach day is try to get your beach gear the year before. I knew this year was going to be a heavy beach year for me. So last year, after the summer, when things started to go on sale, I started to pick things up from Ollie's, from Five Below, from Walmart, Amazon, and I was able to get things on a affordable price. The beach chair that my niece is sitting on, I think I might have paid $5 or $7 for it. The beach tent was really affordable at Five Below. So if you are knowing you are looking to do a beach day or get into beaching, just try to find things early and kind of plan for it, and that's going to save you some money. Also, taking some time to learn your chairs, especially if they're different kinds. Sometimes to unfold them and fold them up quickly or easily. They're different gadgets, or some leans forward and you got to push back. So just learning how to use your stuff makes the setup easier. Also, I did order these kind of like water chairs from Amazon. I originally got them for our cruise. I hate them. Don't buy those. I just don't like them at all. So for me, I really did like of the beach setup, the 2 beach chairs and the umbrella with the table attached. That was a really good deal, and it actually works, and I got that from Amazon, so I will try to link that below. Again, one of the chairs, I think the blue and white big chair is from Ollie's, and the solid blue one might be from Five Below. So those I can't link. I did get them on sale from last year. And then my mom's orange beach tent, she's had this for years. She has a pool at her complex, and so she uses her tent down there. So that's her personal one, and I'm not sure where she got it from. what I love about both of the beach chairs that I got is they are book bag style. So you just put them on your back, and you carry them down, and they worked great for me. So love that idea. So the final setup, and my husband enjoying his hard work. You look so beautiful. I don't know who made you so pretty. Where'd that come from? You don't really got to try very hard. Hi. Is that what we giving? Jalissa, they're gonna be happy to see you. She tried to kill you.
Close your eyes.
No. She's trying to shoot us.
I already got him.
Say hi to everyone. They haven't seen you in a while.
Hey. It's cold. I'm finna get out.
She said it's cold. Okay, so let's talk about the beach before we get in. Do you like this beach, Jalissa? Would you come back?
I feel like Myrtle Beach, when they called it Dirty Myrtle, was cleaner. How you gonna compare this to Myrtle?
Myrtle Beach.
Because they call it Dirty Myrtle, but somehow it's cleaner.
Hi, Mom. Do you want to say anything about this beach?
I like it. I don't like the fact that there's so many rocks on the ground. Like, I don't know, bro. There's too many rocks. It's like anything.
You can't see when you look down. It's just
a rock. There's no shell.
No shell.
It's just a rock.
And don't look at the rocks because the rocks got algae on them. They're not really.
Yeah. And then there's like sticks in the sand. Look at that house on the lake.
There's a house on the lake?
Yeah, right in between the trees. It's like hidden. If you see that sign.
Oh, I see. Maybe they have access to the beach from their house.
Oh, wait, there's another. There's 3.
Those?
Over there.
Yeah.
I was talking about that one. Like,
yeah, I see it. That one's kind of. Got the little buoys.
It's a nice scenery.
It is. I like it. So some tips for a nice beach day is to pack a lunch, make sandwiches. We froze some juice, like lemonade cans, and we use those as ice packs for the food. Pasta salad is also a really good beach food. Just bring some forks and a plate. We also had sandwiches and chips, and we had a good little lunch at the beach. Another tip is to pack a little beach blanket. I love it in my tent. It can just get you out of the sun if the sun's really bad. Today we didn't have any sun, so that wasn't an issue even though it was really, really warm. Volleyball right there.
Guys, you see how she's trying to attack me? I got the gun.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
I got the gun. I got the gun, people. I got the gun.
No. It got in my face.
Are you showing them fighting? I'm not really trying to shoot you. You gangster.
I have it on the side. All right, I'm forfeit. You gotta do your hands like mermaids, like, and then go like that. No. Oh, now you're doing a picture of a mermaid.
saying it's not cold. You finna dunk yourself? They don't. You got glasses on. Oh.
The most important thing about a great beach day is having fun. We had such a good time out. It is our first beach day this summer, but we plan to have at least 3 more. So if you want to see what beaches we get into this summer, don't forget to like and subscribe. We really did have a great day. And if you have a good beach near you, don't forget to put it in the comments any suggestions for our fellow YouTube friends. That is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.